Alright, I'm showing you guys the pool here at Savannah Point. This is the community pool. It is private to the community. You do have a keypad here, or they give you like a key fob. There are restrooms here, men and women. There's also a great area to get out of the rain if it would start raining. Beautiful pool, beautiful backdrop of the reserve. They do have a shower, outdoor shower there, so you can rinse off, but really nice facility here. You can have parties here, or just come down here and enjoy the pool. You don't really see a whole lot of people here at the pool very often. And I'll kind of give it a little turn around here so you guys can see the community. Really nice community. Like I said, these are duplexes, and very nice living here, and the neighbors are very polite.